Hi dear students, how are you? Now we start our third class of matter. Firstly, we know about matter, different states of matter, arrangement of molecule. Then we come to the change in the state of matter. We can see how the state of matter is changed due to the change in temperature. There are many processes like melting, evaporation, freezing, condensation, sublimation. Okay, student, if you like my video, please like by pressing like button and subscribe by pressing bell icon. Please, my teaching is a pure teaching. There is no any advertisement or anything else in it. So please, if you like my video, then please press the like button, and if you want to say something to me, then write in the comment box. Please, I want your suggestion or what change can I do. Okay, now our third class about matter. This is the property of matter. What are the property of matter? First is your expansion and contraction. Expansion and contraction. Second is your malleability. Third is your ductility. Fourth is your solubility. Fifth is your heat and electricity conduction. Sixth is your diffusion, and seventh is your compressibility. We will see all the property line by line. First is your expansion and contraction. When a substance is heated, when we give a substance external heat, then its molecule starts to vibrating. Then what happened? Its molecule starts to vibrate rapidly. Vibrate rapidly. Each molecule takes up more space due to this movement, and this is called expansion. Suppose this is our solid. We give external temperature to it. Its molecule, it starts to vibrate and take more, and this solid have a definite shape. Its shape get changed and molecule get far away and it's change into liquid or expand. This process is called expansion. If you want to open a tight metal lid of glass jar, sorry, then you what can you do? You immerse it in the hot water. The heat of water causes the metal lid to expand and open easily. When a substance is cool, जब हम लोग क्या करते हैं, एक substance को cool करते हैं, then what happen? Molecule speed slow down and comes closer. Then they occupy less space. And this process is called contraction. For example, electric cables remain tight or taut between the pole in the winter due to contraction, and the same cable hang loosely in summer due to expansion. This is the property of matter mainly find in the solid, mainly find in solid matter. Second is your malleability. Malleability is the property to make a sheet by hammering a matter. You can see in gold, silver, or iron. When it get hammered, then it changes into a sheet. This property is called malleability. Third is your ductility. Ductility is the property to make a wire by stretching it, like gold, silver, copper, iron. We can draw wires. Next is your very important solubility. Solubility is the property to dissolve in a liquid. Solubility is a property to dissolve in a liquid. The substance dissolve in a liquid completely. The substance that dissolve completely in liquid are called the substance dissolve completely in some other substances called soluble, and some substance do not dissolve are insoluble. The substance which dissolve in a substance in another substance is called soluble, and some substance do not dissolve are called insoluble. The liquid in which substance dissolve this the liquid in which the substance dissolve it is called solvent, and the substance which dissolve in solvent is called solute. As example, water, we add some salt in it. After some time, salt get dissolved in it. Then salt is your solute and water is your solvent. There is a note: the substance which dissolve most of the thing in it is called a universal solvent. And the best example of universal solvent is our water. Water is a universal solvent. Okay, then we have seen that water is a universal solvent, the substance which dissolve most of the thing. Water is the substance which dissolve most of the thing is called, so it is called universal solvent. Understood? Okay, now we come to the topic fourth property, heat and electricity conductivity. Some substances allow heat and electricity to pass through them. Such substances are called good conductor. Allow to pass heat and electricity. Metals are usually good conductor, like iron, silver, gold, etc. In higher classes you learn about metal, and the substances which do not allow to pass electricity is called insulator. Okay, now fifth is your diffusion. Diffusion is a process in which a substance with lower concentration higher concentration move to lower concentration till both the concentration become same. Okay, as example, when we drop few drops ink in water, then we can see after some time the watercolor become blue. Why? Because the ink is in lower concentration and the water have higher concentration. Water is in high quantity and the ink is in low quantity. Then the process of diffusion takes place. The diffusion takes place till the ink is spread throughout the water. The entire water become blue because the molecule of ink intermingle with water molecule. This phenomena is called diffusion. Understood? You learn it more in the further class, higher classes. This is enough for grade 5. Okay, and last is your compressibility. Compressibility is the property of a substance to compressed or squeezed together it into a smaller space. Squeezed it into a smaller space. Molecule of solid are tight held together, therefore they can't be compressed. Okay, solid can't be compressed. But our liquid and gas, there are space between the molecule, therefore they can compressed. For example, liquid and gases can be compressed and filled into small vessels. For example, water can be compressed and changed into ice. Our natural gases like CNG compressed and filled into a cylinder. Okay, this is all about the properties of matter: expansion and contraction, malleability, ductility, solubility, heat and electric conductivity, diffusion and compressibility. This is for your class 5. More you learn in higher classes. Okay student, I am ending the class. Please press the bell icon and like my video if you like my way of teaching and my video. Bye bye.